Hello guys. So this is a tutorial how to make a AFK farmer. So let's get started. So first place a wheel. And place 50 blocks, place any block you want. So when you're done, place a wheel. And place 5 blocks. And then place 2 blocks down. And then place a portal. Then put the speed to green. And put this wheel speed to 10. And this one to 5 or 4. And then save it. Place any block here and a seat facing that way. And place a portal. And sit on the seat. And go to the first level or any level. And anchor it. And then respawn. And place a switch. And you're done. Bye guys.